what is going on here outside the former known as Mooseburger Lodge. From my understanding, this is going to turn into a barbecue place. I got told that the stage is not going anywhere. Maybe a renovation to stage, but nothing else. Otherwise, it's staying put. But what's going on over here? I can only zoom in. Are they trying to redo the rocks for the river? I don't remember that area being wide like that. And what's the deal with this? Is that going to be a new bar? Now I did get told that the stage here will be open for cast members to use before the inside of the restaurant opens. That's what I got told from the Junkies page who work from officially the park themselves. Six Flags, what branch? Illinois, Discovery Kingdom, Great Adventure, America, Texas, Fiesta, no, Georgia, no, Magic Mountain, no, St. Louis, New England, Great Escape, Oklahoma. What Six Flags? You're more than one location, because I'm Mrs. Seven Flags, because I've seen 7 of your parks nationwide. I can't tell if space is open for business, but no matter what, I'm not riding coasters for another month. One channel posted out, and I want to see for myself, as well as put in my videos. I don't know if we have the same describers. Oh, Spaces is open. There's people being in line for it. Spaces is open. I'm not riding it. Oh wow. So this was seating last year. Back in the day that was a Flintstone ride. I don't know what ride was here. Okay, I have a suggestion. I'm not sure what they'll plan up the sleeve is, but I have a suggestion. What you could do with this open space, since this is little kids area around me, just a suggestion is how about two new little kids rides, or if you don't like that idea, then how about save this whole area of open space for something larger, like a new little kids coaster, such as Spacey Rockets and Little Dipper size. Just some suggestions of what to do with the space. Huh? Okay, I didn't notice this. What?
You should show them right now.
What was here on the day? With the entry side for Camp Cartoons back there. I'm not sure what was there. Okay, I guess I gotta watch some old videos of either my channel or other random channels of park. Spaces is open, I'm not riding it. I think it's too cold for coasters. I'm putting on in flat rides and shopping. There was this duck game in County Fair, somewhat by Renovation, in the game corner area. Well, it was 10 hours to play. And no matter what ducks you fish out with the fishing pole, you win a prize. So I won a medium-sized prize right here. It's a dog. Nobody I think looks like a bear, but they say it's a puppy, so that's why I won. And if you're gonna win every time you pay, I might have to play again. But I'm gonna wait for the weather to get somewhat warmer. Where I can see the river and where I can't. Okay, this might be the dumbest question. So if this section's closed off under construction, fine, I understand. But then why do you have the TV running? Might be a dumb question I want to ask. That makes no sense. That TV's off, this area's closed. Haha, I just thought about something. Another smoking section got taken away. Ha 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 ha. The more those smoking areas get eliminated, the better. Okay. Because they don't want the boardwalk anymore. Or it still says Mooseburger Lodge. First of all, there's still antler shield to say Mooseburger. Two, this might be a better view. Did they take away a window? What's going on with that board area? Over here, there's still a moose up there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's just Mooseburger on it. Still some antlers on the wall too. I can see from my distance. Wow. Grove is in the park. At 1:30? I was going to see the X-Price show at 1:30. I can't see two things at once. And I got somewhere else I need to be at 4, so the rest of the time don't work for me. What time is it right now anyways? It's almost 12 on the money. Okay. I'll be interested to see what the barbecue place looks like. The park said it won't open until end of June or early July. It should be open July 4th if things go the way they have planned. Alright. I'm turning off the camera.